Alright, well hello there. I just wanted to throw together this quick little video, hopefully quick, for shipping these coffee mugs and saucers. Hopefully it won't take too long here, but basically I just have these little 4x4x4 boxes that I kind of got accidentally. I thought they were sturdier than they are. I thought I could use them for shipping like directly, but I really can't. I can only really just use them for putting stuff inside and then putting it all in another box. So that said, that's what I'm gonna do with the mugs. I'm just gonna set them in here. They actually fit in just about perfect. So which way is that? I gotta switch this back. So you can tell it's not moving around in there, so that's good. Yeah, so anyway, so just use up what I got. I went and I bought a lot of those boxes, like several hundred, because it was a good deal. Getting a good deal ain't always a good deal. But I've used them a little bit here and there, so they work good for this. I hope they present well when people open the packages and they see that I've taken, that much care with their stuff like that. Probably easier to open these than it is to unroll bubble wrap. Yeah, but not that I don't have any problem with bubble wrap, of course. But, so. Suppose I could learn how to speed the video up when I do these. I don't know how to do that. I don't know much about video editing. But you're a YouTube creator. You should know. I know. Not a very, as you can tell, I'm not a very successful video creator. And well, that's my own fault. Some people say there's someone else to blame, but I know it's my own doggone fault. Alright, so we got the mugs done. I thought that was pretty neat. Alright, so then I'm just going to take this one, put a little piece of cardboard in here like this, just like they do when you buy them from the store. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I've never had any of these get broken doing it this way. Not that I know of. So then I'll just do that. I wonder if I should. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. I'm gonna see if I can get a piece of cardboard that I can use to. Maybe I should do the bubble wrap first and then do the cardboard to hold it together. Let's do that. I'll throw some bubble wrap on here just to hold them together. I'm gonna set this down like that. I'm gonna flip these over so they'll be easier to. I've had these for quite a while now. It's really nice to see them get sold. So. Just like that, right there. Push them and hold them down. Yeah, there we go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Now I'm going to have that in my ear all day. Just had to do it, didn't you, Dave? You just had to go and start singing. That's pretty tight. Now I'll just wrap that in a piece of cardboard. See if I can find a piece here. Gee, I don't have any cardboard. Imagine that. Hush, Dave. I don't have any cut. I should have done that already. Well, let's use, I think I have a piece over here. Yeah, that'll work. There's a good piece. Do. Want to do that? No, I want to do that. Let's do this though. Set it up on top like that. Oops, sorry. Do. Fold that over like that. And this up like that. Probably roll that all around so it doesn't come loose while I'm working on it. Using the blender. It's right about here, I think. Oops, don't roll away. Mr. Tape Roll. Don't roll, Mr. Roll. Oh, come on, roll if you want to. Roll around the world. Throw a little magic eBay tape on there. There we go. All right. Beautiful. Oh, we're under attack. So that's up there now. I need a box to put all this in. What do you think? I think probably that's gonna be awful big to do that. Might be a little too big to put that in a. Well, I could maybe use this. That will fit. No. See, I don't want to do. I could maybe do that. And then that. How big is this? come up just short, isn't it? Yeah, there's, how big is that? Oh, definitely. Rats. So 10/8/6 won't work. Nope. 8x8x8 won't work. Seems a little like too much box, like too much opportunity for something to get broken if I leave it like that. So I don't really want to do that. This is the hard part, always picking the right box. That's too big. Well, let's just do this then. I'm not comfortable with that. So we'll get one of these out. I only have one of those. I do only have one more of these. That's 12x12x9 or whatever that is. 13x13x9 or one of them. It's gonna be a little bigger than I want, but what you gonna do? Okay, so that means I'm gonna use something in the bottom of it. Stick some of this in the bottom. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Please don't break, don't break, don't break, don't break. There you go. Oh, I cut it a little too long. I did cut it too long. Wow. Put that one in there. Slide those over there. That should fit if I do it this way. This time, cut it correctly. Here. Yeah, fit perfectly. That helps me feel a little bit better about this. All right, and then that and this, that. So I need, how's it feel to need, babe? Feels good. Yeah, I was just at the shop the other day, and we were getting a little low on newspaper that we used to wrap stuff with. I have some more in the back that I found then yesterday evening. But, you know, it's newsprint, so actually newspapers are kind of pricey. But anyway, so this morning I just thought, well, I'm going to see if you can buy just like newspaper or something. And sure enough, you can go on Amazon, you can buy like 10 pounds of newsprint, no news on it, no print on it, of course, but it's paper. You can buy like 10 pounds of it for like, it's like $23 for this newspaper, which, I mean, for at the shop, that's kind of what we need. And then I looked at Lowe's, on the Lowe's site, and they have it for, what was it? 3 pounds? I think it was 3 pounds for like $10. And I was like, whoa, I just get it shipped to the store from Amazon, and then I'll just have it. You know, and I won't have to use. I might keep doing that. I might just keep buying that. Forget about the newsprint, because you know the newsprint is it's used and it's, you know, and it's dirty. And you know, and I always got to look for something like a colored newsprint to wrap things like figurines and stuff, because you don't want that ink, the other ink, coming off on the colored print. Doesn't usually come off. But so I think I might do that. I think that's gonna be. I think it'd just be faster, easier for the customers, easier for the vendors to deal with it. It depends on, yeah, how far that much goes, but it's a lot of paper. So I think that's going to be the deal. I was actually like, wow, that's cheap. I need some more. So I actually ordered some to take to the shop, but I might stop at Lowe's maybe if I get out. I have to go out tomorrow. Might stop at Lowe's and buy some of this brown paper too, because for here, I need some here. Alright, and that'll work. Now I'll just cut this again. I think I just cut it the wrong way. Oh, no, I didn't. No, that's right. Yeah, this is the part. I'm just going to put that one over there. That one there. That one there. Yeah, that works for me. Right there like that. Close that. Now I know I overdid it, didn't I? I know I overdid it. But I feel comfortable with it being this way. I think this will work good. I think it'll present well. I think my customer will hopefully. That paper moves around in there a little, but it'll be all right though, because it's all them other boxes and stuff. So they'll be safe. So, all right, well that's it. I just wanted to show you that one. I don't know why, but there it is. That took me almost 18 minutes.